Hello, I'm Adrian Crawford. I'm here with the 23 plate, so Macan S. It's a V6 2.9. It's the first one I've driven of this specific model with this specific power plant. It's actually a relatively low spec car, and there's something about that I rather like. I don't need all the bells and whistles on a car like this. What I do like is it's got good climate, it's got heated seats, and the ergonomics are really pleasant. And actually, even though it's not full leather, I quite like that. It's got this text material. It's been beautiful 30-degree weather here in Cornwall, and you hop in, no stickiness, feels cool. I think it's a good choice, and I'm surprisingly taken with this car. I particularly notice that it's comfortable and easy to use, and if I want a full sporting car, obviously there's 911s and Boxers and Caymans and all that stuff, which, you know, is more my typical scene. But this, yeah, I get. It's a good machine. I'm going to drive it and then show you around the outside. And this real world review, I always think, should I say what I don't like about it? This particular one, no leather, but I like the text material on the seats. I genuinely do. I think the dashboard, even though it isn't a leather covered dash, actually the material feels quite nice on it. So I don't really feel I'm missing out on that. I do like a sunroof. It doesn't have that, but it does have nice infotainment, good phone connectivity, paddles on the multifunction wheel, heated seats, lovely climate. It's got what I need. I wouldn't bother to shell out for more, to be perfectly honest. I'd save that for my 911. Right, let's go, see what it's like to drive, show you around. Well, I rarely do a driving video of the moderns, and today I'm in this Macan, and I have to say I rather like it. I'm using them more and more. I appreciate the quality inside. The driving position's lovely, and actually noise, vibration, harshness, it feels very nice and very comfortable. It's not the sort of car I want to go zooming around in. That just doesn't suit the nature of my driving. But I do appreciate lack of noise and the quality and the ergonomics. And as far as that's concerned, the steering wheel feels good. I like the multi-function wheels. The paddles here feel like high quality. It's 7-speed. I notice consumption, even though I've been doing a lot of town driving, is 25 and probably will do 30 to the gallon, I expect. The quality of the switch gear is good. I've hooked up my phone to the infotainment. This particular one, I appreciate the heated seats. The auto climate is good. I'm not bothered myself about sport buttons and sport modes and things like that, but I'm sure that they're useful to some people. I like the black surrounds. Quality of the interior feels premium, albeit this particular one has the Porsche text material, and actually I like that. I know everyone goes for leather, And last night I used the sort of the centre part of the seat to put some skis in there. I find it surprisingly enjoyable and agreeable. Another thing I notice, because I like driving, is the way the pedals operate. Sometimes you get cars where the brakes are sudden, or the brakes, you have to push them hard, or they don't modulate well. But this one is very, very well balanced and very well thought out. I always notice things like the touch and feel of the plastics, even little things like the way the vents operate please me, because they feel well engineered and of quality. These are little details that give the game away. I've also had nice sounds going on, and even though this is not the premium sound system, it's a good sound system. So overall, the drive of it, quiet, very comfortable, low noise, low vibration. I mean, the roads that I travel on are not the best, and this particular car, let me hop out, this particular car is on the bigger wheels, which I thought would make it noisier and a bit more vibey. The park distance and the cameras are good. I actually think the look of it is really nice. So there's my real world driving experience with this V6 Macan. Electric tailgate I like. It's a cool car. I've got no idea why they fit 4 exhaust pipes, but it seems to be the trend. Other little details. The black on the windows I like against this particular colour, and the black roof rails. So things like this I notice. The way the handles work really smoothly. You don't get a sort of click feeling. And the way the doors shut, really nice. Yeah, now I know that you'd think I was a sports car man, and largely I am. However, good alternative for day to day, and a really enjoyable machine to use traveling, and especially traveling with family. Cool, that's your Macan. I quite like it. No, I do like it. And it's not electric. And I very much like that, because it means I can fill up whenever I want, as quickly as I want. Perfect. Macan S, 23 model year. Lovely.